Kinwestiyon ni Davao City Vice Mayor Baste Duterte at Vice President Sara Duterte ang tila'y pabor na promotion dahil sa paglaktaw nito sa 3-star general status dahil sa pagpapahuli kay former President Digong at kanyang spiritual advisor Pastor Quiboloy.
OBP at KOJC at ang pamilya Duterte ay nakaranas po ng injustices mula sa bagong PNP chief. So in this connection, ma'am, ano po ang inaasahan ninyong magiging sitwasyon sa Pilipinas sa ilalim ng bagong liderato ng PNP?
Well, I do not think magiging mas maayos or mas maganda ang ating bansa, no? Unang-una, doon na lang tayo, no, sa pagpili ng Speaker of the House of Representatives. Na noon ko pang sinabi na bakit ka naman pipili ng Speaker of the House of Representatives na implicated in a bribery case on record in a case in the United States. So, yung palang kaduda-duda na 'di ba? Parang pag alam mo kaagad na ganun, hindi mo susuportahan yan as Speaker of the House of Representatives. In the same way na merong recent findings ang Senate of violations of law of this police officer. So, bakit mo naman gagawing chief of police? So, masyadong sketchy yung...
Admire this person kung talagang he did everything with due process. Diba? But, you know, like, technically, if we talk about the case or you know, like, we review what happened, what transpired during yung ginawa sa kanya with KOJC and lahat, it's nothing. Wala. He's only handpicked there by the administration because he's an attack dog. That's it. Nothing more than that.
With Tora even hitting back na kung natatandaan mo, yung tatay mo ay in-appoint si Bato del Rosa as PNP chief, 1 star lang siya noon. Effectively jumping 2 spots compared to Torres, 1 spot.
One last, on other issues, naglabas po kasi ng statement si Mayor Baste Duterte saying na 3 ranggo ang tinalunan ninyo because it's not a merit-based promotion, and he even called you an attack dog. What do you want to tell Mayor Baste?